Welcome to another sunny day in paradise. We have the cracked, spider-infested Volvo 240 headlight. Beautiful. So it turns out that was a bad idea. I didn't realise it was it would come off so easily. I'm actually taking, as shiny as that is, I'm taking the chrome off, so I'm gonna need to paint or replace this. Just gonna find some chrome paint. There we go. Enamel, I think that'll work. soon as I can. I've used some brake clean, I've used some dishwashing liquid, warm water, and I've sanded it down. So I'm hoping now it's going to be fine to paint. The camera angle will be a bit dodgy, so I don't know how much you're going to be able to see of the actual painting, but you'll definitely see the after result. First coat still needs to dry, but you know what? I think this may actually work. So we'll wait for that to dry and then we'll bang on the second coat. Okay, so we've got the second coat on. It's looking shiny. Did this about 10 seconds ago. I reckon once this dries, that should turn into this. I think it's time to check on this headlight. Oh, I did get some runs down. Weren't too heavy on that last coat. I don't think it's too bad though. Whoops. So I reckon maybe in an hour or two that should be golden.